How's it going, guys? Welcome to the altcoin update. So, if you haven't watched the Bitcoin update, please do before you watch this. So, starting off with XRP, guys. So, we have, again, we had this daily apex where we see XRP actually breaking down below it. It's now finding accumulation between this daily range again. So, now it's acting as resistance up until here. But what we can do, just so we can pinpoint where the next apex will be, let's evolve this really quick, just to see where that uptrend may find, where will be, where the next apex will be. So um, let's delete this. Let's delete that. Okay. Let's go down to the 4 hour and see what this is looking like. So, okay. We're going to evolve this to this level there. Um, and if we just, go from left and then down to right, okay, last screen can before the downtrend, okay, you can see that's the resistance point. And then you can see this empty space here, okay, so what that means is that if XRP can move up on our close above this, ultimately it will move up here. But considering that there's already a daily downtrend, this is a very major point of resistance. So ultimately, what's really carrying the move is pretty much this daily uptrend. Honestly, if that uptrend breaks again even more, the next daily downtrend's down here. Honestly, it's probably going to catch a 4 hour here, but ultimately it's probably going to go down here if it breaks. So just keep watch out for that. I know we have a new coin. One second, just let me check the Telegram really quick. Because I think we're replacing um, a coin. Well, I'll let you guys know. So TRX, guys. So as you can see, there was a heavy rejection point. So again, all these coins look the same. Why? Because Bitcoin broke down. So when that happened, it pretty much just ruined the party for a lot of these altcoins. So um, we had this daily downtrend. It was hard closing above it, but just pinpoint, to the dot where this weekly downtrend is. Yeah, it just broke down. So, we had this daily. We're gonna move it here. We're gonna make that solid now, right? So that's just another resistance that it has to break. We're gonna move this, and now we're just, few things, and now the chart's updated. So now we have a very tight apex here. Honestly, yeah, so six, seven, almost seven, well, about the same move for Bitcoin. So, um, yeah, but the good thing about it is that it's still inside this apex. So all that matters that this uptrend is holding the move, and we also do have another one here in case it does fall. But this would be the last, pretty much the last point before it would just free fall. So let's just hope that Bitcoin can continue moving up and continue making ladders because we're so close to, all these altcoins are really close to their apex, and it'd be really unfortunate if they all just break. So Suncoin, you guys know this is like my little meme trading coin. So another rejection here, it's falling down. Honestly, what we can do here, we're just gonna evolve it here. Um, and yeah, make that the origin point. So weekly wise, really not much. As you can see, there's a lot of room left. So honestly, maybe we can replace this coin. I'll just give this update every other week or so. Um, but yeah, just one second. Okay, okay, looks like we're going to change track, but I guess I'll have confirmation next time. But for now, let's just see what's going on with track. Huh? Oh, nice. So track is very so like very responded to Bitcoin. So you know how Bitcoin fell and then Bitcoin moved up? This responded just exactly like it. So um, okay, you have the resistance. Now this is invalid. We can delete some of these 4 hour levels because they broke below there. Um, there's that really tight apex. Honestly, this was so tight it could have been confusing for a lot, but eventually broke out. So we can delete some of these levels. Um, Move this to here. Because that's so close, I'm just gonna leave it on that this macro uptrend. So yeah. So there's that apex. Where's the second point here? Oh, wow, nice. Wow. this second point really predicted the whole downtrend. So anyways, let's move it here. As you can see, there's that apex there. So if we were actively trading this, like that, right? We're gonna just array these. Oh, I'm sorry, no, not that way. There. Oh, actually, yes, it is this way. Okay, and then to move it here. And there's that apex against this resistance that's been tested a lot of times, guys. So, if man, I wish I was watching this, but the fact that this level has been tested numerous times, it was just bound to break above it. So right now it's aiming for this. Um, it'll, man, hopefully it can get back into this area because this is the area where it'll go back in price discovery. So if Bitcoin moves up, guys, honestly, I can see track move up again into price discovery. Um, but yeah, that's track. Finally, PZP. Ooh, man. So let's just clean up the chart. I know these are in existence for forever, but when it's this far into the move, it just clutters a chart. Okay. Yes. So this untested 4-hour level ended up holding the move, but again ended up breaking because of Bitcoin. So let's clear that up. This is a macro uptrend, so what we're gonna do here is that we're just gonna evolve it, right? Up here. hmm Okay, let's clean up this chart now. Now we have a lot to work with. Oh man, so honestly, man, if it goes back down here, it's pretty much over, and yeah, that's not good if it breaks that. If it breaks this 4-hour, that daily is a last resort. Um, so here, okay, there, gonna evolve it. Okay, there. Okay, so there's Apex. Honestly, I think this is too early to quite tell. I mean, the apex does look funny, but I think this needs a bit more accumulation on this uptrend if it can. So yeah, pretty straightforward. Is that if PZP can main if PZP can maintain this 4-hour uptrend, that's good. And I think that I think that's what it's due for. I don't think it's going to make a sudden move up just yet. I think it needs more time to enter locally in this accumulation, possibly break out sideways and then back onto this uptrend. But if that falls below, then it's gonna obviously test it daily over here at the bottom. So yeah, guys. So let me just really quick back on Bitcoin. So again, if if so there's 19 minutes left on this candle close. So if Bitcoin, it just rejected, if it continues to fall down to this uptrend, um, yeah, that it wouldn't look good for a lot of these altcoins. So if Bitcoin does fall down here, right, altcoins will be, most of these altcoins you just charted will probably be at their last support before it falls, dramatically. So if Bitcoin can maintain this uptrend and move up and out of this apex, um, that would be like that would be amazing for altcoins because altcoins right now they're at like the second to last support before falling down, free falling. So if Bitcoin can maintain this uptrend and that would avoid any crazy volatile movement for those altcoins that are on the brink right now. So yeah, again, still a couple more days, so I would just keep watching, stick to these trend lines. So yeah, if you have any questions or comments, again, leave them down below and make sure you add me. See you guys.